Good afternoon, guys. Coming in with some energy today. I like to think we're always coming with energy, but we're feeling extra energetic today. We've just left the Lake District after an epic 4 days. If you haven't seen the vlog, go check it out after this one. Just stopped off in a little town called Appleby, and we are now on the way to North Yorkshire for episode 2 of our Unusual Hotel series.
Wait till you see this one!
Okay guys, so we have arrived at Camp Hill Estate. It is a huge 300-acre estate in a place called Kirklington in North Yorkshire. We're actually going to be staying here for 2 nights. We're going to run it over 2 vlogs, the first of which tonight we are staying
in a bell tent.
So I should probably quickly explain there's 2 parts to the camping facilities here at the Camp Hill Estate. They've got this area which is called Hill Farm Bell Tents, and then in the morning we're heading over to Camp Couture, which is within the same grounds, and I think we're staying in a geodome. Ooh. As for tonight though, we've parked the van here. The warden office is there, so we've got protection guys from the horses. And Lauren is going to grab us a wheelbarrow so we can cart our stuff over to our bell tent. Number 5, let's go. Go on, Loza. I did insist to take the wheelbarrow, guys, but she wanted to give it a go. Oh, farmer job over there. Loving life.
So we're heading down to our bell tent now. Not really sure what to expect.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We'll see what we're in for tonight, guys.
And we'll take you with us, guys.
Go on, I'll let you do the honours. What are we saying?
Look at that.
I'll tell you what. Got everything we need, haven't we?
Oh yeah.
Chili bin. What's that over there?
Bamboo pole in the middle.
Oh, they knew you were coming, Lo.
Yeah, boy!
What is it? Oh, they knew I was coming too! So we've got a double bed with a couple of single duvets, little bedside mirror there for Lauren to do her makeup. Most important thing tonight, wood and a little wood fire.
That is going to be cosy.
Not sure what the temperature is tonight, have you checked?
No, but it's much warmer in here than what it is outside.
It is, it's actually really sunny today, so fingers crossed we'll be alright, but we'll probably get the fire going anyway.
We're off to a good start.
So that's us for the night, guys. I think we've got everything we need. Nice little rug there as well, that'll go well in the camper.
Yep, grab that for the boat.
And don't get any ideas. What's going on? Show them out the front as well. So back out the front here, we've got another little fire, bench for breakfast. I'm not sure how many bell tents there are, maybe about 15 bell tents. But we have been told we're the only ones on site tonight.
Let's have a party then. So
I'm halfway through loading the stuff in. Well, I've taken 1 bag in. And what did you just say?
I would like a truffle.
Priorities, guys. Very good. Mad rush, guys. We got carried away eating chocolates. Just come outside. The lighting is near enough perfect, so we're going to quickly set up and get some photos with our bell tent. Here she is. Come on, my son. Here we go, guys. Prosecco's out. Alright guys, we're going to quickly run down and show you the facilities because the sun is setting, it's getting dark. We got here a bit late actually, we arrived around, well, check-in was 3, then we were talking to the PR lady and showing us around the whole facility, so we're trying to get it in quickly before it gets too dark. Okay, so you've seen the bell tents, and first thing you've got here is a warden's office. Lauren's stalking it. You trying to be the warden for the night?
That's where I'm leaving tonight.
So there's a warden that stays in there that's on hand all throughout the night, in case you get stuck with anything, need extra logs for the fire, any problems. We've got our own private warden. And then you've got a communal kitchen, toilet block, and like a chill out kind of sofa sitting area. And you've even got a couple of football pitches.
Get your football boots on, lad!
Oh, and the shower block over there. So Lauren's going to take us on a quick tour, are you, Lo?
Come with me. So here we have a 4-hog top. And this is the kitchen.
Huge kitchen area, little freezer, plenty of space, and everything you need. And I'm sure we'll be in here soon because it's getting to that time, Lauren.
I'm getting a bit hungry now. Men's and women's toilet blocks. We won't show you in there, you get the gist.
And this is the communal hangout area. Well, that was pretty good, Lo. How are you going to get in now?
Oh, I can't hold the door for you. So
Go, go! Ah!
Oh! I'll further in here as well. Apparently the warden will like that later for us if you want to. I think we're going to get a photo up against that back wall later against fairy lights. What do you think?
Yeah, cool, man.
And also tea, coffee. Oh, a little And all these biscuits for Oscar.
Oh, what? Lotus Biscoff. That's literally what we buy for Oscar, so quick, grab them, stash them.
Oscar's favourite.
So yeah, basically just a huge hangout area, ideal for gatherings. I think they hold a lot of events here, weddings, that kind of thing. So obviously we're the only ones here, so maybe we should make good use of this tonight. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the tent, probably get some food on, but absolutely everything you need. What's cooking tonight, Loza?
We're gonna do rice, veggies, Mexican rice. I put a bit of chili powder in. Yeah.
Big rice dishes it is. I tell you what, we have cooked in some places around the world, but we have never had a bigger kitchen than this to ourselves, have we? Hey, get your eye on the dinner! Yeah, nice, Loza.
Oh, thank you, darling.
And the warden has even come and set the fire off for us. No one's on the move. Well, this is quality. Temperature has dropped a little bit outside, but we're nice and warm here. The dinner's got a little kick to it too, so that's warming me up. But the ambience in here, so cozy, isn't it? Right, I think that's us guys. I think we'll just chill here and see you in the morning.
I'm gonna go get the Belgian chocolate truffles, I think.
And sleep here for the night. All right, time to head back to our little bell tent. We've got a lantern, so we should be all right. It's looking lovely out here, but the temperature is dropping, so hopefully we'll get the fire lit and get nice and cozy.
Get the fire lit, actually.
Ooh.
I feel like I'm in the Victorian time.
Oh, here we go. Let's get that fire going. Need to make the beds as well. Right, Loza, you're on bed making duty, and I'll do the fire.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Come on, guys. Lauren's on lighting duty. Lucky we've got a bit of battery on our phone. Time to set the fire up. Right. What are you saying, Lyle? Cozy?
So cozy. It's really warm in here now.
Wicked. Let's have a little run round. Got the power bank with my phone torch on over that side. Got the fire going down there. And then Lauren's got a little tea light over this side. Oh, and we found these little fairy lights lighting up the pole in the middle, so I think we're set to go.
Magical.
We are tucked up in our little bell tent. Solid setup actually. We've got the hotspot on, Netflix set up, ready to go. And let me spin you round. Fire going at the end of the bed.
It's actually really warm in here now.
It's so warm. We've got layers on top of the bed. It's actually not even that cold outside. It's 13 degrees, but we are in the middle of a field in a tent.
And we did get back quite late to the tent.
Yeah, what is the time now? 9:30. 9:30, we're tucked up, and we will catch this up in the morning and let you know how we get on. Yes guys, we've come out for a late night run. We're heading back to where we had dinner. Oh god, tripping over tents. We're on a late night wood hunt to get some more logs for the fire. It's like 10:30. It's not super cold in the room, but I think we're going to be awake for a little while longer, so Lauren's stacking up. Late night biscuit and hot chocolate run, is it? Alright, let's get back to bed. Alright, night guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
See you in the morning.
Good morning, good morning. How was it?
It was okay.
I slept all the way through. Literally just woke up, wasn't cold at all.
I woke up for a wee at 4, about, oh my god, there's a spider.
Cut.
I woke up for a wee about 4 AM and by that point it was a little bit chilly in here. So I got back in the room and I pulled all the blankets over us. We've got like 3 layers of blankets. And then it was absolutely fine. It's really cosy in the quilt, but the air outside is a bit chill.
Lauren's only got my jacket on now, by the way, because she just went for a wee. You didn't sleep that, did you?
No, I'm not cold now, but I'm just cozy.
So this is the current view. We'll have to get up in a minute and take you outside.
Alright, let's see what's crack-a-lacking out here. Oh, you left your Prosecco out here, Lol. Ice cold. So misty mornings in North Yorkshire. We're going to run down to the kitchen, get the coffee and breakfast on. So we've got a bit of beans on toast. The laptop's out. Where is it?
The specs are on.
Specs are on. Lauren's gonna edit some photos. I'm gonna get into breakfast and then I'm gonna edit the vlog that I'm recording now actually. Goodbye little bell tent. Time to pack up and head to the next one. So we're gonna sign out from our little bell tent here. We're gonna head down, I don't know how far it is, like little drive around the corner within the same 300 acre grounds and pick up episode 3 in our geodome.